handang magdala ng kaniyang kasuotan ngayon. Ang candidate for Best in Suit.
Off in my city, off in my home.
Here is our winner for Best in Suit to be awarded by Teacher Jerwin P. Santos. Our Best in Suit for tonight goes to give him a round of applause. Please step forward. Palakpakan naman natin si Jacob. Magkakulay pa yata sila ni teacher Ayan, okay. Anak, mag-smile. Yung hindi mag-smile, okay. Ang gaganda naman ninyo kapag nakangiti, no? Gentlemen, magaganda ba sila? Hilig na, kasi nakita na si crush dyan. Okay, so our winner for Best in Gown to be awarded by Teacher Marilu Del Rosario. Congratulations! Engagement with others and sociability, elegance in outfit and style, overall impact and popularity. Blessing Quinnie Pinartates, our star of the night. Okay, ang ating pong star of the night is someone or a person considered the most outstanding or glamorous attendee, often signify the individual sapatos? Para sa akin na lang. Yes. Okay, congratulations. Our face of the night goes to Karen Isaac T. Martinez. Congratulations. Please step forward. Okay, picture taken, Chelsea and Karen, our face of the night. Most energetic dancer male category goes to Henry Roll Allen V. Orlando. Ay, konting ano nga dyan, Henry. Music, please! Ano gusto mo sa'yo na? Ha? Budots! Ayan, sige nga. Budots. Okay, girls. No? Whoever will be awarded as our most energetic dancer. Our most energetic dancer, congratulations to Aliyah Noam C. Malapitan. Congratulations! Alam ko na ang gusto niyan. Salamin. Ha? Salamin. Okay, Teacher Hernaline, kindly give her award. And congratulations once again to Aliyah Noam C. Malapitan and Henry Roll Allen V. Orlando. You are our Mr. Prom 2025. Congratulations, Jared Suwenzo Espugtong, our Mr. Prom 2025. Okay, please step forward. Mr. Prom 2025. You are our Miss Prom 2025. Congratulations to Blessing Queenie Lee B. Nartates. Congratulations, our Miss Prom 2025. Okay,